Yeah.
What's the flavor of the
The shrimp. Yeah.
baby tomato, chili,
Yeah, chili.
jalapeno, cucumber, and lemon juice.
Yeah, and without mango.
With garlic.
With garlic. Oh, it's really good.
And it's really cooked.
Oh.
Smell this. Arriba, güey.
Oh, like this.
Cilantro.
Oh.
Smell that.
I like this. Yeah.
My special sauce.
Oh, your special sauce. Oh.
Then we mix. Cabrón. Asshole.
Sí, pues tenía que entrar por ahí, güey, pero se está atorando, güey.
Oh. Wow.
Damos un poquito del caldito. For you, bro.
Oh yeah, gracias. Wow. Ah, okay.
The reaction.
It without pork?
Yeah. Just.
Oh. Oh. Very good. 이게 새우가 레몬에 넣으니까 이렇게 빨갛게 변했어요.
Yo siento que debe tener pedo con su morra,
이게
güey.
날것처럼 먹어도 되나 싶었는데 이게 레몬이 들어가면서 좀 약간
No tiene un pelo de pendejo ese güey. Algo pasó.
익는 그런 과정이 있나 봐요. 네. 근데 진짜 맛있습니다. 딜리샤소스.
Mañana entro a las 7 y salgo a las 7.
A las 7.
Y el sábado.
Wow. This is a normal afternoon. in my
어.
Lot of hungry.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a younger sister like you.
Really?
Yeah, I have younger sister.
I like watch
movies.
I like meet new places and
Oh, travel.
My ukulele.
You also play ukulele?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my village. Yeah, I live here.
If you need to buy something, you go there.
Yeah, I go there or department store.
Que si necesita ir como a la.
Now there will be my house.
Where is your house?
Just wait. Yeah, from here to just right side is my house, apartment store. Yeah, apartment.
Ooh, that is.
Yeah, I usually ride a bike.
Yeah?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, you use your bike there.
Yeah. Because there's no steep. Everything is
Everything is flat.
Yeah, flat there.
¿Queda virote? Uno. Pues échamelo. That's a good one.
Yeah.
¿Tienes fríos, pingüinos fríos?
Oh, can I try this?
It's better cold, but
Try it cold. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Chicken?
no, it's pork.
Pork.
Fried pork.
Fried pork skin or
King?
skin?
Oh yeah. The skin of the pork.
Oh, you also eat
This
pork
is
skin.
like a homemade bread.
homemade they make?
Yeah,
Or
no,
they brought
no.
from the
A
factory.
baker?
Baker.
No, it's not a factory. It's like a small baker, and he make his own bread and live in small shops like this.
Like this. Oh. you.